So if you're on this video, please watch method 2 of my method 2 video of the transformation Pico challenge, so you get a little bit of context, because I'm straight diving into my bonus solution here. So this is a more stupid solution. So this is actually just testing out the logic of the given code here. So I'm gonna ignore that. So we have haha. So haha is our main, the actual text given, right? So this will be the loop that gets our solution. So I'll explain the thought process here. So you'll see that I am of course looping through the text, the Chinese Japanese characters here. Then what I'm doing, instead of the previous binary method, which takes each hexadecimal character every 2 hexadecimal character to turn it back to our English letter, what I'm doing here is actually almost similar, but not in a more straightforward way. So let me explain the output. Alright, this is awkward. What is happening? Index out of range. Yeah, there's some error here. Let me just comment it out. These are just testing. Alright, so we get back our picoCTF, right? So I'll use the output to also explain how the loop actually works. So this is our text, and then in this case, the first character, the Chinese character that we got is 28777, which is this one, right? X is our first Chinese character, and this is the Unicode. So the way I determine what English character form this Unicode is by this loop. So this double loop right here is just trial and error method, where I just loop through the Unicode from 33 to 126 to eventually find the correct pair that forms the 28777 Chinese Unicode. So that's how I got it for each Chinese characters here. So this is a more stupid method, because in the start I didn't realize that the logical shift left is able to contain the second character successfully without overwriting the first English character's binary. I did not realize that. So what I did here is more of a guessing game, but it actually works also. So I'll attach the code in description as well for you guys, just as a reference for fun, because that's how Pico challenges work. So using this flag, pass it in, it actually works. So this is more of a brute force method. So yep, hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching.